Hello and welcome to Simply Sport with me Neeraj Prabhu. Portuguese coach Francisco Neto is shaping up the challenge of Goa India's football team for the upcoming Lusophobia Games. The young and highly rated coach believes that the boys at his disposal are hungry to learn and improve. The hosts will come across formidable teams from Portugal and Angola, among others, during the third edition of Lusophobia Games to be held here from January 18 to 29th next year. Prudent caught up with Coach Nieto at Duer ground in Mapsa.
Coach Neto, here are some of the best local talented boys from Goan football that you are dealing with. What is your analysis of these boys?
My analysis from these guys is that they want to improve. They have passion and for the game, and for me that's very important. They are technical and physical. They are very good. They have some problems tactical that is a little different what I think is necessary for a big tournament, and we'll try to train that to improve and to become good on the tournament.
Right. You are a UEFA Pro license holder, and when you come to a different country for a different assignment, what type of challenges do you face?
First challenge was understanding what is Indian football. Okay? And now I understand what is the difficult of the Indian players. We have a lot of humidity and is a lot of heat.
Yes.
So it's difficult to be intense on the game. And we have the difficult too is to be focused, concentrate all the practice and all the game. We have to improve that to become better players.
Okay. And how do you get your point across? Are they receiving the points that you are making?
Yes, like I say in the beginning, they have passion for the game. When they have passion, is more easier to learn. And I think the players will understand what I ask him for them, and they will improve a lot. We have good conditions. GFA give us the best conditions we want, so I think we will make a good job.
Yeah. You are a young coach and you have a lot of potential in coaching. What is your overall philosophy of coaching football?
I'm young. I'm 32 years, but I started coaching with 20 years in Portugal. I work in an association too in Viseu, in Portugal. So I understand and I know very much what is this methodology that we need, because the kids came from different realities, different clubs, different styles of training, different methodologies. My methodology of training is European methodology. We like to have the ball. We like to training with a lot of ball, and all the situations that we practice will be what we want to happen on the tournament. What we try to do here is when the players go to the tournament, they know, they don't feel, they feel that they knew the situations. Okay, if you don't know what came, you are afraid of that.
Right.
Yes. So if you know, if you have knowledge of all the situations of the games, the players will be very prepared.
You want these boys to play a high tempo football throughout the 90 minutes. Is it possible?
I think so. It's not easy. Players like Ronaldo and like Messi have
Yes.
their difficulties, but if today they can practice or if they can be focused 60 minutes in the tournament, they have to be able to be 18 or 19. They improve. Okay, everyone have to understand that this tournament is one step more on the formation of these kids. They are 70, 18, 19,
Yes.
20 years old. They are very young. There's a huge tournament, and they will grow up. And I hope when the tournament ends, when they came to their clubs, their coach feels that the players are better.
Are better, right? The teams which are going to come here, obviously, Portugal, Angola, all these teams, they'll be more physical, they'll be more tactically advanced. So, what will you try and how will you try and make these boys come up to the standards? Maybe a team from Portugal, how strong it will be.
I know very much. I have the knowledge of the Portuguese. I'm very friend of the coach, Rui Jorge, the head coach, and I know some players. I have training some players of the Portugal team. They are very good. They are playing in top of leagues, Champions Leagues. Some players are in Championship, Champions League. So we will try to defend against that teams. We have to be smart, and we have to defend very good, and be quick and smart on the counter attack. And when we can have our ball, we will have our ball. And I think if we can stay focused all the game, we can have Portugal and the other teams will be difficult with us. If we don't be able to be focused, we're gonna die, like I say, soon.
So, what will be a safe strategy for our boys? Keeping it tight in defense would be the first priority.
Depends. You ask me when we play against Angola and Portugal. Of course, I'm a coach. I like to have the ball. Okay, my priority is to have the ball, and if I have the ball, I don't suffer goals. Okay, if I have the ball, I can score goals. Okay, that is the main objective of my methodology of training. So I understand that will be some moments in the game I will have the ball and we want to have the ball, but all teams in the world, will have some moments that they don't have the ball. Barcelona, that is Barcelona, that have a lot of possession of the balls, don't have the balls all of the time. When they don't have the balls, they have to know how to defend. Okay, that will have our weapon. You are inside the game always. If you lose one ball, you react and you go behind the ball. Okay? No problem for me if you lose the ball and you run. Or if you lose the ball and you stay, that's a problem for me. Okay? Another thing, we want to play more 10 minutes, okay? Maybe you don't score any goal, okay? So now you change with another goalkeeper. You see another striker, okay? What is important? When we are playing this line, I don't want this. What is happening? Here's the ball, one player. You don't do this. You mark zone. Okay? You defend like zone. So we have to protect our space. Okay? I want the line always well done. Okay. Like this. Okay? If these have the ball, cover, close in. Okay? Ball circulates up, down, down. Not one here, one here, one here, and one here. Not this. Okay? Another thing. And it was because of this what I asked to defend. What was the lines? Was here, was there. here. Okay? 5 minutes we can do this. After 5 minutes, okay? The game have 19 minutes. 19. If you cannot be able to be focused 19 minutes, we will have 85 minutes. Concentrate, focus. In 5 minutes we lost the game. Okay?
Is there enough time to make them physically strong?
There is time for improve. Okay? If there is time to improve to beat the other teams, I don't know, but I think that with the intensity that the boys training, that will be very good for them. We have one advantage from some teams, another no, that we know the weather.
Yes.
Okay, Portugal don't have this weather. When the players from Portugal came, they will the intensity of them will slow down
Because of the weather.
because of the weather. Yes.
Right.
So we have this weapon with us because we are adapted with this. So I think that could be good for us.
And finally, on your own career, where do you want to go with your coaching career? Some of the young Portuguese coaches like Andres Villas-Boas is doing well in English Premier League. What is your ambition?
My ambition now is coach well Goa team. Is my ambition. I don't think nothing else. Like I said, this is a step for the boys. It's a step for me. It's a step for GFA.
Yes.
It's a step for Goa football. I want now, and I'm focused to improve and to try to give my knowledge to the Goans and to learn too, because there are a lot of good coach here. A lot of good GFA have a strong team. So I want to learn with them, and I want to transmit my knowledge to everyone.
All the best, Francisco, and thanks for talking to us.
The big name clubs are misfiring and the smaller clubs are getting big results. Yes, this is the pattern of the I-League this season. Round after round, the top flight Indian league is producing upsets which are good for football. There's no room for complacency or underestimating the teams. For the first time in the history of Indian football, the big clubs from the football crazy states like West Bengal and Goa are getting floored on a regular basis. What a season this is turning out to be. Mumbai Football Club produced the most stunning result of the recent round when they defeated a formidable East Bengal team by 3-2. Now coached by former Dampo legend Armand Colasso, East Bengal were counted as one of the pre-tournament favourites. This result meant Armand's first defeat as East Bengal coach. In Goa, Sargaonkar suffered another defeat when they lost a close contest to local rivals Sporting Club de Goa. Defending champions Churchill brothers finally got their season on track with the first victory, but their chances of retaining the title may be very slim unless the Red Brigade goes on a long winning run. Mohan Bagan suffered a shock defeat to Rangda Jihad United FC, which means the Kolkata club is having a really topsy-turvy campaign. This was also the first victory of the season for Meghalaya outfit Rangda Jihad United. Mohammedan Sporting were locked in a goalless stalemate with 5-time champions Dampo Sports Club, who still seem to be struggling to get on a decent run, while Pune FC were held 1-1 at home by United SC. Let's watch the highlights of some of the key matches of the recent round of the I-League.